The kind of love that does not simply begin with a yes, but continues because two people keep choosing each other every single day. 10 taon na ang lumipas mula nang sabihin nila ang kanilang unang I do. 10 years of laughter and tears, 10 years of dreams fulfilled and dreams still waiting to happen. 10 years of learning, adjusting, forgiving, growing, and most importantly, loving. Today is not just another anniversary celebration. It is secretly planned by our group to our bride, Divina. And today, we are bringing her back to a moment that changed her life 10 years ago. A moment she thought happened only once, and perhaps she has no idea that today, she is about to experience it all over again. 10 years ago, they promised forever. And today, we celebrate the fact that they are still walking that forever together. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome our bride, Divina.
I don't need a lot of things, I can get by with nothing. With all the blessings life can bring, I've always needed something. But I've got all I want when it comes to loving you. You're my only reason, you're my only truth. I need you.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give her a big round of applause, Divina.
Ito may upuan. Dito na tabi ako.